back with another video, and this video is going to be a spring expired look. It's officially March, so I was really excited to do this. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then just keep watching. So I've already did my brows and I've already primed my lids. I'm just going to go in with some setting powder and set my lids. Are set now. I'm going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to be using the Yes Please palette by Colourpop, and it has these shades in it. Since I'm going to be doing spring vibes, I'm probably going to be using the orange and pink tones out of here, but I'll say what the names are if I use them. I'm probably going to go in with this orangey pink shade first right here, and it's called Big Cocktails. So I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush and then use this as like my transitioning shade. I'm probably going to go in with this burnt orange shade, and it's called GNO, and it's this one right here. And I'm just going to probably get a smaller blending brush and put this like right on top of where I just put the first color. So I'm going to use this brush to put the GNO right, not on top of the first color that I put it on, but kind of like above the crease area. Next, I am going to go in with this reddish brownish color in the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and this one is the shade Red Ochre, and as you can tell, it's one of my favorites, but it's this one right here. So I'm just gonna put that like in the crease area to kind of deepen it up a little bit. And for that shade, I'm gonna use like a slimmer blending brush so I can get in the crease and stay in the crease. Okay, so that's what we're looking like right now. Nothing too major. So for my lid, I think I'm going to use a shimmer. And it's probably gonna be, let me see. I may use a mixture of two. I may use this light pink and then this darker pink. The light pink is in Louis, the darker pink is in Bling, and it's this one and this one. So I may mix those two and put that on my lid. I'm using this flat brush to apply that. What it's looking like. I think I may add a lighter color because you can't really tell that the glitter is on there. So I may go in with this, yeah, I may go in with this lighter glitter shade and Butter Cake, this one right here, and kind of put a little bit of that on top. have so far. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this just because I don't want it to be too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye, and yeah. It's looking like. I'm about to go add some lashes and then I'll be right back. Well, my lashes are on and this is what the look looks like without my full face, with just the lashes. I'm about to go ahead and do my foundation, and yeah. So you already know what foundation I use. It's the Maybelline Fit Me in Coconut. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this on my face. I already rubbed in my primer. I used the Baby Skin Maybelline primer. Fawn, and I'm just gonna put that underneath my eyes. Concealer and foundation is all blended in. I'm gonna go in with some setting powder and set underneath my eyes. I'm gonna dust it off with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go ahead and contour, and I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance palette in medium dark, and I'm gonna be using the contour shade, which is the darkest one, and then a contour brush.